We got some stairs. Stairs. That was cool. Gotta make this light. Perfect. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got the Surron on that KO-Moto controller and the stock Surron motor. Took it out last time, if you guys saw my last video, and I had a little bit of some drama with some engine sputtering. I thought my belt was too loose, so I adjusted that and tightened it up, but it was still making that kind of sputter noise. But ever since then, KO released another update to the firmware and to the tune, which I already updated, and I think that might have fixed the problem. Also, I changed the tune down a little bit because of my battery life. I wasn't like loving it at all. It was killing my battery, so tuned it down to about 7.2 kilowatts. So we're looking at 120 amps on that max line current and 420 amps for the phase. And so far I love it, so we're gonna go back to that same trails and try to test it out today. I'm gonna actually meet up with my buddy. Other than that, I've been kind of tweaking my tune a little bit, tweaking my EP mode, and I think I got it almost perfectly to where I want to have it. I did 65% on the line and 65% on the phase amps, and I really like the way it feels right now. I really hope there should be a change on my battery. We're gonna see that right now as well. All right, guys, we're back at the same trails I was here on my last video with the Surron. KO has released a different update ever since, and I updated my firmware. And all that. We're gonna test that out. So far it's looking okay. Also, my buddy Surron, we just got the KO on there with that wrap. Look at that wrap. We're just waiting for that battery to complete the wrap and we'll be good. Hello. All right, so we're gonna, like I said, he's still running the stock battery. So we got him running at 90 amps and I think 480 phase amps, right? Yeah. Until he gets his shy battery, he's gonna go for the compact, looking clean. This baby looking clean too. So let's see what we find out here. See if I get the same sound that was happening before. Let's see what happens now. Woo! Lifting my wheel over there. Okay, so far much better so far. I'm not getting that sound at all. Oh, we're spinning tires like crazy over here though. Pretty good. Woo. I'm spinning tire left and right now. Oh my god. Yeah, ever since I tightened the belt, that definitely helped. And I think that KO update definitely helped. That bike got so much torque now. Ooh, and we got the brake space. Hey, how you doing, brother? I'm gonna go to EP for now for a second. We're spinning tire like crazy. Oh yeah, look at that. The bike just wants to lift the wheel up like crazy right now. And I even tuned it down. When I came out here before, I was running 150 amps. I don't know if you guys remember or if you saw the video. Now I'm at 120 and I got way more torque than I ever had. Insane. Look at that. It's just spinning tire like crazy right now. Whoa. My bad. So yeah, so far amazing result with this new tune. There's a few things I do not like about this new tune though. Right now I'm running the line curve on the throttle. I'm gonna let him try sport in a little bit and see if he likes sport. But there's so much more torque than before. That's pretty crazy. Spinning tire like crazy. Also, there's only one thing I do not like about the new tune, and it's when the bike is on and you roll backwards, there you go, the motor winds up and it becomes like super hard to roll the bike backwards. See, that's it. It gets stuck and wants to push you forward. I'm not sure what that is about. I never had that before. I'm sure it's just a setting that I need to change, but if you guys know what that setting is, drop a comment down below and let me know. You ready? Man, you got so much more torque. Yo, just come from here. Fun. Oh man, that bike just eating this up. You can do it. You can do it.
Shit doesn't let me even back up.
Yeah, you see that? I don't like that. That new thing won't let him back up. What's up with that?
It doesn't let me back up. More speed. But it doesn't let me roll down.
Hold on.
I'm gonna turn it off and roll down.
Let me try to help you. No, up.
Thank you. I don't know why my motor cut out when I went on the hill backwards.
I don't know what's up with that. I don't like that new thing. So the new KO tune, guys. So one thing I want to let you know, like I said before, they are constantly working and fine-tuning this stuff. So you definitely have to check on their website constantly to see if there's any new updates for you guys that you might need. You want to try this hill? Momentum, momentum. Nice. We never went that way.
No.
Good, I like that way. Alright, so around here last time, woo, look at that, eating up this uphill. Oh yeah, so much stronger, so much more power than before. So last time when we got to around this area, that's when that noise started happening. Now looks like we got no noise today. Looks like they solved that stuff. Oh god, the bike feels so different, guys. So much more power. It actually feels right now like it's in like the throttle feels how it was in sport mode, in linear mode right now. Let's see, so far this was the area that gave us problems last time. That's where the main problem of the noise was more apparent, is this uphill. Let's see what happens right now. We'll test that and we'll test my battery. We wait for him to go up a little bit so we don't clash into each other. Oh, something fell. He just dropped something.
There goes my fender.
Damn, fender just dropped. Okay, so it sucks. My buddy's fender just dropped up there. I guess he hit a pothole or something, or a dip right there, and his fender just broke off. So I'm waiting for him. That's actually just a good thing why I was waiting. When you ride and there's a crazy downhill or an uphill, I highly suggest waiting, and so for the next person so you can go, so things like that wouldn't happen. Because if I was going behind him, man, I'd probably hit him. But while he's coming down and doing his thing, I'm happy to report that, man, this new tune, few things. One, this new KO upgrade that they just released, oh man, so much different. I'm literally running it at 120 and I feel like I have more power than I was at 150. It's insane. What happened? The fender flew off?
Sport mode and I blasted the fender right off.
That sucks. Yeah, see. Yeah, well, actually it looks badass like this too. Anyways, let's give this a shot. The last time we had a problem with this, remember guys? I could not make it up here because of my motor started chirping out on me and making a weird noise, but oh no. Whoa, so much stuff. There's so much power here. Yeah, there's so much more torque delivery. It's the only thing I gotta adjust on this tune. But we made it. No, beautiful. Much different, a lot more power than 150 watts, bro. I mean 150 amp. I don't know what they did on this new tune, but it's kind of beastie. The power, the torque delivery on there is pretty insane. I'm gonna have to tune that. I almost flipped my bike right now going uphill. Back at our beautiful spot, we got two beautiful looking Surrons. Go back and let them appreciate the beauty. Got that red KO, looking sexy. I actually really like it without the front fender, believe it or not. Got that little BMX style, kind of looks dope actually. And then we got the blue KO, looking sick. And then again, I'm happy to report that last time when I was up here, one, my motor sounded like it's about to explode on me, and second, when I got up here I had 64% battery left and I was all bummed out thinking, oh man, I can't really go around now, I gotta go back home. But I'm happy to report that right now I'm at 83% battery left. Beautiful. And I rode like about 10 miles to get here, give or take. Yeah, so I'm super excited. So far it has passed the test. Shout out to KO, constantly working on their stuff. I'm sure we got more tunes coming. I know they got a better PC suite coming, like a better program. Hopefully we'll have a Mac version, and hopefully we'll have an iPhone version. So I'm sure they got a lot in the works. Also, if you guys saw my last video, my brakes are feeling beautiful. But yeah, I'm getting to a point where I love everything. I just got to throw in my 16-inch, and I got some other goodies coming soon. I'll make a video about that. Soon I will have 0 to 60s, range test, everything there is to know about the KO and this new setup. Also my buddy's setup, he's about to get a crazy battery, so we're going to do some tests with that, running it at 12, at 10, 12, 15, and seeing what we get. But as always guys, make sure to subscribe. That really helps out the channel. Actually, that's the only way to help out the channel. Also leave a comment if you have the KO. What are your thoughts about it? What kind of tune are you running, or are you planning on getting the KO? And definitely leave a like. But that's about it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.